How to add slow motion effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your video clip into the media pool and drag it to the timeline in the Edit tab. Make sure the clip you want to slow down is selected on the timeline. Next, right-click on the clip and choose Change Clip Speed from the menu. A new window will pop up where you can adjust the speed percentage. To create a slow motion effect, reduce the speed to 50% or even lower depending on how slow you want it to be. After that, check the box that says Ripple Timeline if you want the following clips to move and adjust accordingly. Also make sure the pitch correction option is selected if your clip contains audio so it doesn't sound distorted. Then, click Change to apply the new speed setting. Your clip is now slowed down, but you are soon working to enhance the smoothness. Go to the inspector panel on the top right and under Retime and Scaling, change the retime process from project settings to optical flow. Then, go to motion estimation and select Enhance Better for smoother slow motion. Finally, play the clip and you'll see a much cleaner slow motion effect with fewer jitters or frame jumps. You can now export or continue editing your video with the effect applied. And that's it. Now you know how to add slow motion effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.